Hello everybody! In this fifth video, today we will also touch on topics related to transformers that we have not discussed so far.
It is a fundamental issue for our modern life. Have you ever imagined a world without electricity? It would be total chaos.
Exactly. Transformers are those unsung heroes who enable power to reach our homes, businesses, schools, and hospitals.
They are essential components of the electrical network. Let's break this topic down as if we were in a classroom to try to clarify this electrical puzzle.
Excellent idea. Let's start with the basics. What is a transformer?
A transformer is a device that modifies the voltage of electrical energy. It uses the principle of electromagnetic induction to transmit energy efficiently over long distances.
Impressive! You could say they are the mains adapters, couldn't you?
Exactly. And, like any complex equipment, they need regular maintenance to operate safely and efficiently.
Transformer maintenance has several objectives, as if it were several subjects in a course, right?
That's right. The key subjects are failure prevention, avoid major problems, such as mathematics, which is the basis of everything, life extension, we learn from the past to ensure a long-lasting future, energy efficiency. Optimizes transformer operation, reducing energy losses, safety, protects workers and facilities, minimizing risks.
And how do we set clear goals for these subjects?
Defining measurable objectives, such as reducing the failure rate by 10% or increasing service life by 5%. It is essential to comply with industry standards, as if they were school regulations.
Regulatory compliance ensures that our processes are safe and of high quality.
Let's move on to the lab, technology. How is it revolutionizing transformer maintenance?
The star of the moment is artificial intelligence, AI, working in conjunction with intelligent sensors.
What do these sensors do?
They monitor in real-time parameters such as temperature, vibrations, and oil levels. It's like having a constant medical checkup.
And AI analyzes this data to detect patterns and alert us to problems before they occur.
Exactly. Algorithms such as neural networks and support vector machines identify anomalies and predict failures. They act like gifted brains.
Is there any concrete examples of technological tools?
Of course, it all depends on the need to find specific solutions for each case.
Interesting. Systems integration is also key, isn't it?
Of course. The combination of SCADA, ERP, and CMMS makes it possible to manage maintenance efficiently. These systems act as a team of teachers, coordinating all aspects.
What about IS 61850?
It is like a universal language for substation devices, improving communication, flexibility, and safety.
Continuous training is essential for technicians to meet technological challenges.
Professionals must master concepts such as electronics, data analysis, and cybersecurity. It's like constantly updating the school curriculum.
This ensures that they can implement innovations such as robotics, IoT, and nanotechnology.
The future of maintenance promises more efficient and sustainable systems, ensuring a reliable power supply for all.
A future where technology and training work together for a better world.
We hope you found this information useful. If you have any doubts or questions, just contact Antonio Fresco Navaturrada on LinkedIn. Thanks for joining us. See you in the next video.